Hi there, Mr. Nash here with Systems Education, and I'm excited to share about our online science program. Each lesson is an interactive video that enhances student knowledge via different learning experiences, including hands-on instruction. Purchase lessons individually or choose a plan to become a systems education scientist today and gain access to all of the video lessons for your grade level. Most materials for each lesson can be found around the house. You'll find a list of the materials required for each lesson in the video description. Gather the materials yourself before you begin the lesson or simply purchase the kit from us. All video lessons and materials are sold separately. Visit the lessons page where you may purchase video lessons individually. If you don't want to purchase lessons individually, visit the Scientist page and purchase a plan to become a systems education scientist. Once you have all the materials and the video lesson, you are ready to begin. Log into your account and navigate to the lesson you want to complete. With materials in front of you, click play and begin the lesson. If you miss anything or need something repeated, simply pause and rewind the video. You will be told to pause the video to complete each activity. Once you are done with the activity, continue the lesson. There will be more to do. Don't forget to download, print, and complete the free worksheet with each lesson. Explore our site and discover the fun. See you soon, scientists!